Welcome to our channel. Capital One cardholders can easily use their rewards points directly at Amazon checkout, making online shopping even more rewarding. Step 1. Log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Check your available rewards balance. Step 2. Visit Amazon.com and add items to your cart as you normally would. Proceed to checkout when ready. Step 3. On the payment method page during checkout, look for rewards or use Capital One rewards option. Step 4. If this is your first time, click Link your Capital One account to connect your rewards account with Amazon. Step 5. Enter your Capital One credentials when prompted to authorize the connection between your accounts. Step 6. Once linked, you'll see your available Capital One rewards balance displayed at checkout. Step 7. Choose how many points to redeem. Typically, points are worth 1 cent each, so 5,000 points equals 50 cents. Step 8. You can use points for the entire purchase or combine points with another payment method for partial payment. Step 9. Review your order total with rewards applied before completing the purchase. Step 10. Your points will be deducted immediately upon order completion. Remaining points stay available for future Amazon purchases or other redemption options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.